Trying to play a TiVo recording on your computer and hitting a wall? These files contain your recorded shows, but they need special handling due to copy protection. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll walk you through accessing these TiVo video recordings. Here's a professional insight. For those TIVO files that absolutely refuse to open, I have an advanced, non-standard solution. We'll deploy that secret technique if the simple steps don't work. TIVO files are recorded television content files from TiVo DVR devices containing video and audio streams captured from broadcast cable or streaming sources. They use TiVo's proprietary container format with optional copy protection limiting playback to authorized devices and software. TiVo recorded files use a proprietary wrapper around MPEG-2 or H.264 video streams with TiVo metadata headers and optional encryption tied to the recording device's media access key. The format includes program guide information, chapter markers, and closed caption data. TiVo Desktop is the standard set by TiVo Corporation for accessing the TIVO format. Full file access relies on specialized software that can rebuild the file's index. Windows can show video previews, but trimming or production work needs proper editing software. To open this specific TIVO file, right-click your file and select Open With. If TiVo Desktop is available, use that first. If it's missing, choose another program. Don't worry if it takes a few attempts to find the right software. If you are still having trouble opening the TIVO file, do not worry. If your file remains inaccessible, it's typically due to one of three common pitfalls. Let's review this straightforward list of culprits and verify their status right now. First, playing with TiVo Desktop. Install TiVo Desktop software and transfer the TiVo file from your DVR via your home network. TiVo Desktop handles decryption using your TiVo media access key and enables playback on your computer. Enter your media access key from your TiVo account settings when prompted during setup. Next, converting with KMTTG. Use the free KMTTG utility to download and decrypt TiVo recordings. Configure KMTTG with your TiVo's IP address and media access key. The tool downloads, transfers, and optionally converts recordings to standard MP4 format using TiVo Decode for decryption and FFmpeg for format conversion. Finally, decrypting with TiVo Decode. Use the open-source TiVo Decode utility to remove TiVo encryption. Run TiVo Decode with your media access key using the command TiVo Decode mYOURKEY O output MPG input TiVo. The decrypted MPEG file plays in any standard media player, including VLC. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. Finally, the problem might be deep-seated. Your most efficient path to success now is using a high-powered universal viewer like FileMagick. This software is available at filemagick.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.